Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to withdraw your Cardano, ADA, from Uphold and transfer it over to Robinhood in 2025. Whether you're looking to consolidate your crypto holdings or just explore new platforms, this step-by-step guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. By the end of this video, you'll be withdrawing like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Uphold and Robinhood. If you haven't already, download the Robinhood app and verify your Uphold account. This is crucial because 2025 might bring some updated security measures, like enhanced two-factor authentication, so double-check everything. Step 1. Log into your Uphold account. Head over to your dashboard and navigate to the Cardano section. You'll see your ADA balance there. Click on it to access the withdrawal or send options. Remember, Uphold might have some network fees, so keep an eye on those to avoid surprises. Step 2. Generate a deposit address on Robinhood. Open the Robinhood app, go to your crypto portfolio, and select Cardano. There should be an option to deposit ADA. Copy that wallet address carefully, it's case-sensitive and unique. Step 3. Back in Uphold, select the Withdraw or Send feature for your ADA. Paste the Robinhood wallet address into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure it's above any minimum limits. Review the transaction details, including fees, and confirm. This might take a few minutes to process, especially with 2025's potential blockchain upgrades for faster transactions. Step 4. Once the transfer is initiated, monitor it on both platforms. Robinhood should show the incoming deposit soon after. If you encounter any issues, like delays or errors, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction status. A quick tip. Always start with a small test amount to ensure everything works smoothly, and be aware of market volatility. Crypto prices can change fast. Also, in 2025, regulations might affect transfers, so stay updated with platform announcements. There you have it, folks. You've successfully withdrawn Cardano from Uphold to Robinhood. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe out there.